20 seconds, 20 seconds, 20 seconds, 20 seconds, 20 seconds, 20 seconds.
Are we chasing that one guy?
Because this is their leader, like, what the fuck?
Oh, okay.
Focus the fucking commander. I don't give a fucking shit about the kills. Focus him. Empower.
So bad on Mesmer, because if you look at DPS, if I'm looking at the DPS meter when he's playing Ellie, and he's below Firebrands, I'll drop the Warhorn because I am moving bad with it.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
I'm like, dude, you're supposed to switch to Warhorn.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Chains on the dams!
Oh, no blasty blasty? No blasty.
I imagine you were like,
Or we can go do Escalade in Catacombs.
Yeah. Never.
Hey.
Such a rich man. Let's do Dungeons and Dragons.
Yep. I mean,
I'm actually done.
secret to play now, so.
I used to rub something else when I was going to bed.
Wait, what?
Hey, I'm 9 years old.
Good fucking ground. Bomb it, bomb, fucking Power. Move on right. We fucking go. Jesus fucking Christ, this is beautiful. Hell fucking yeah, the fucking gravity.
Problem. There's a group on the right. Ebola guild. Now go for the kills. Go and kill here on the bottom. Kill here on the bottom. Nice. Yeah, everyone should rally, to be honest.
Fuck this is way too easy.
Wow!
Start blasting the smoke field. First thing, this retard that's not even in the guild getting invited every time into the guild using brain or something. Bullshitting in skill, you know? This fucking rank
Sometimes
five.
about
Yeah.
What the fuck, Prince F?
Okay, calling it here, we're gonna go PB. I mean, I got like maybe 100 loot packs, to be honest. Which sometimes makes me wanna cut. How are you fucking die? Fucking downstate. Where to spawn? Figure out how we're gonna play this game. Okay?
I don't care. You better come in. Hey!
Why are you running? Why are you running? Yeah?
What?
You owe me money. You have to give me back my money.
Holy shit, you suck. Bloodlust Severance. You have some fucking balls. We're gonna move in front again in 3, in 2, 1. Let's go.
But they ending up. No, stop.
Fuck. Line some here. Bubble go. Nice. Bomb the bubble.
Rich on the bubble.
Deep bubble. Nice, good.
What the
Second
fuck is
fucking
this
second bubble.
shit, dude?
Nice, just cleave the fucking down. Cleave the fucking down.
What the fuck just happened?
Shit. What the fuck, dude?
What the fuck?
Get wrecked!
This actually just happened.
Yeah, I guess it did.
Drop some ballista. Ballista.
That was proper GVG.
Yeah.
TF exposed, by the way. PPTing in EOTM.
We did this fucking game.
Officially exposed.
Yeah.
It's bad, man.
Yeah. Here we go.
Holy fucking shit, this bug continued to hiding.
Coming towards us. We're gonna jump out. Line is in front. We're jumping out.
Rich.
2, 1, just drop out where you are. Power here.
I thought we were gonna drop inside.
This is done.
Cut the fucking fire! Cut the fucking fire! Cut the fucking fire! Cut the fucking fire!